ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 58 Printing Reports. It is possible to print out reports either to show all pages, a selected page, or a range of pages. In the last lesson we were working with the houses database and we were looking at the sample 1 report, so please make sure that's open before we start. Okay, if we click on the File tab and select Print from the panel on the left, 3 print options are shown. So there's Quick Print, which sends the object directly to the default printer without making changes. There's Print, which selects a printer, number of copies and other printing options before printing. And the third option is a preview so that you can make changes to the pages before you print. Okay, let's click the Print option. So we get a print dialog box. Just to let you know, another way of getting to the print dialog box is as follows. If we would have done File, Print, and then Print Preview, if we click Print in the top left hand corner, it will take us to exactly the same dialog box. A range of pages or an individual page can be printed using the Pages option, and the number of copies can be specified in the Copies area. Just for the purposes of showing you this on the screen, rather than sending my report to a physical printer, instead I'm going to send it to the Microsoft XPS document writer. As I'm using a virtual printer, it will then ask me for a file name. As we look at the report, we will now see that it contains all 5 pages, in other words, the entire report. Okay, back to Access. If you close the report without saving and then close the database. Okay, that's the end of lesson 58, printing reports. Your job is now the revision exercises. There's 2 of them for the end of this section. There's lesson 59 and lesson 60. Okay, I wish you the best of luck with those, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to start section 8, which will cover importing and linking data. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.